Repko has an open Curry. Instead, he'll lay it up and in.
How about that? I love the way he protected the ball, keeping it on the right side away from the defender.
Ish Smith, former Warrior, he's on to deal with Curry. I mean, not only did Durant beat him, that time Johnson just tried to shove him in the back.
Great story though, isn't it? Never drafted, kicked around the league, played for the Warriors.
Oh, look at Durant. Roll with me, young fella. I will get you a dunk.
49% free throw shooter, so here's Damian, one possession at a time at both ends. He's gonna get this.
An open three. Damian Jones, he could have a field day on these rolls.
Well, 49% free throw shooter, so here's Damian. He can go off either foot when he's on the run like that and has clear sailing ahead. Nice play by Durant, I love that.
Brown and Curry knocked it away. Steph with a steal. Leading the break again. Klay Thompson three. DJ's there to follow it home. The two-time MVP is finding his legs on both ends. And if you do have a miss, go to the glass. You left him in the whole quarter. That's how well he's played. Iguodala